I was over there. Oh, Rob's got the sack.
Government will kept.
Damn boy, his neck is like. Takes a long time to heal.
Have you got a parent that can give this to? I'll take it. Lots of cameras and I don't. Well done, bud. Be careful another one, sir.
Well, it soon disappeared, that one, didn't it?
Keep
Yeah, I'll have them.
certainly not something like that. I think it's definitely you know, if that was the whole thing, and you have the land on top, you'd do that, wouldn't you? But it's not, is it? It's got to be that. 12, 8. Right. That's all I'm thinking.
Oh, close.
Go long enough to miss the grass and get the front of the spine. That doesn't work, does it? No, nah.
Net points. So comfortable cushion chairs. Gotta sit on the dog.
I spent 20 guys. Come on, let's see at least 3 on.
Ooh.
Yes.
That I'll
give you that. See what I mean about it in the slide?
Oh. 2!
Ready, steady. Ready, steady. Go. See how the crowd are coming now. Oh yes!
Yay!
Too windy.
It's too windy,
Saturday evening and 7 o'clock. Well, it's a little after. I'm supposed to be here for 7. But got the gathering and they're going to do a draw. And let's see what happens.
The next one is green 18. Green 18. Green 607. Green 607. Green 607. There you go.
Oh, Mr. Womble.
Blue 476.
I better not sit down too long, I think.
You want to shut the door?
It ain't coming. Oh, it is.
Yeah, this is Wandering Womble. Have you got any stickers, Kev?
Yeah.
You have to.
You got no rusty patches on this farm.
I hadn't
you'll have
noticed
to have
that
one
your
of one
bed
balls.
went round the side. I just thought it was straight across, but it doesn't go.
No, it's at the side because we've got a dressing table. at the side, you see.
Yeah, I see.
Oh,
Yeah.
this is good.
Yeah.
With mirror. Very, very large mirror.
Can't see it through the camera because it's dark up there. It's dark in your bedroom. and you don't fall out. Ah.
She's not struggling to get away.
Is it 4 foot wide, is it?
I don't know.
You don't fall out. No?
Quite, no.
No.
Yeah.
And what have you got on this side?
You're alright with strangers.
We go down near our way.
Sit on his lap.
Are you?
Is one we're doing it?
Yeah.
Tell me a story then.
Well, that's not a bad layout.
Yeah. Aw,
Yeah, that's not a bad layout.
don't mind new people.
Yeah. I think. Yeah. It's quite shallow. Like my bloody unit comes out here.
Does it?
So I'd be restricted then for this space. And of course the toilet always takes up a lot of space, isn't it?
Always, yeah.
Always.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, I like it. Hello, you. What is it? Yeah. It's a good idea.
It works.
It works, yeah, yeah.
Just think if you had something like that, you could go in the morning, put your,
Makeup on, yeah.
all your makeup on and.
That's what he does.
Giving his secrets away.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry.
It's out there now, Dave. It's on YouTube. Stop now.
Oh, it's not now.
Yep.
It's better than when he came in our van. He lifted the lid up on me sink and went, "Oh, dirty girl."
Dirty girl.
Because I've got some washing up. Cheeky bugger.
We can't step down that
All right.
Managed to get joy, but I see today.
Well, I did a silly thing. I flipped that upside down on the scooter, stopped the
Happy
water
about
getting wet, then I went to sit on it.
Lift your jumper up. Lift your jumper up. Willie God's pooped himself.
911 green 911. The lady in the white sweatshirt. I love your sweatshirt. We're having a bit of a domestic here. Who wants to call the numbers? Me or Lynn? Lynn wants a microphone. Lynn wants a microphone. Let me have a think about it. No. Blue 934. I'll do this for nothing because we do it behind closed doors. Hang on, I want more. Can we just say? Oh yeah, can we just remind you that Loz has made these terrific cakes, if you want a cake, and all the money's going to our charity. Thank you so much for coming, you've been brilliant, really great.
Thanks, everyone.
Yeah, thanks so much. Thanks for your support.
I just want to say thank you to all our friends that have helped us, because without these I couldn't have done it. Thank you to Gabby and Johnny for all the work they've helped us with, or, letting us put it here. Thanks to all of you for coming and being so generous for our charity. Thank you.
Now I'm going to sing you a song. It won't take long.
Great enjoyable weekend. Thanks Rob&Lynn for letting us come in and have a great time with you. it does take a lot to organise events like this. I know I've done it in the past, and I think that, yeah, a big thank you goes out to all of you, especially those that helped, and especially those that turned up to the event. I think it was a record on the amount there, and a record sum raised. Well done. That's all I can say is well done. It was at Willow Fields, and the only trouble is with Willow Fields, for me, it's too close to the North Pole. I've come down south now, so I'm closer to the equator. I'll pick you up off here, but it is rather windy here, so I'll bet we'll get all the wind noise. But yes, I'm at the inevitable Stonehenge, because I'm going south, and I'm going to do the south coast this time. But the sun's in and out. We've had a bit of rain, and you know, it is nice down here. So peaceful, a birdie. Right, that's it. Thank you all, one and all. And this is, I know it's only a short video, but that's all I've got, purely because of the wind on the Rob&Lynn's at Willow Fields. Right, thanks very much for watching. Cheers all.